YouTube channel. It's me, Tessa. So today, come with me, you guys. I'm gonna show you how I feed my doggies and my cats. But let me tell you, I only have two dogs, so let's do. One is big and one is small. So yeah. Anyway, I'm just preparing. Come prep with me their foods. So as you guys know, I have 4 cats and now I have 2 dogs. So I have the rice. As you know, kung nandito pa kayo guys, una kong vlogmas way back 2022, it was feeding my dogs and cats. So ito will be part 2. I don't know, but look. So I just started it putting in rice. Simple lang guys. Yung gagawin ko. Wait. Add a little bit of water. Ayan. Durug-durugin mo. And it's time to open the sardinas. Ooh. Here. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Ready na siya. So, time to get their plates. Okay? Guys, iiba-ibahin ko lang yung paglalagay. First is sa pusa ko na si Mitsai and si Kermasa. Let's go. Still na okay. Charlie! Si Shally naman guys dito. Shally! Andiyan guys. And it's time for matignaw. Ito. Matignaw. Tunti lang kasi napakaliit talaga niyang kakainin guys. Ayan. And ito siya, malaki na siya. Aray! Ang bigat niya. Aray. Ayan. Kaya na siya. Oh, it's time for the malikot and big boy. Let's go. Ika. Hali. Your food. Ayan. Alibugard. Dito ka. And there you go. So yeah. So yan na sila guys. Tapos na. Pati ka tukmain. Ayaw mo. So yan, kumain na sila guys. So yeah. So, yun na yan guys. Tapos na ako magpakain. So, if you enjoy watching guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy na sila kasi napakain na. So, yun lang guys. Bye! Thanks for watching!